everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this PanOxyl Acne Creamy Wash. I've been using this for quite a while now. I absolutely love it. It is a 6-ounce bottle and a little goes a long way. You don't have to use a ton of product every time you're using it. It is 4% benzoyl peroxide, and it's still gentle enough that you can use it daily. So you don't have to worry about it irritating your skin. This can be completely 100% a daily cleaner for you. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your chest, you can use it on your back. Anywhere you have acne problems, it's going to work just great. This is something that I got for me and my husband, and we have both seen significant results with it. We absolutely love it. So the ingredients in it, it treats the existing acne, and then it also prevents new acne from popping up. The benzoyl peroxide will kill the bacteria that's causing acne. We have absolutely loved it. It really cleans the dirt out of your pores, makes your skin feel really clean, really healthy, really clear. It does have microbial elements in it also, which is really nice. It's going to kill that bacteria, like I said. I think if you are looking for something that is going to work on face, or if you have body acne, if you break out, you know, sometimes I just break out in the summer when you sweat and you get hot. This is so perfect to just pull out and use, or if it's kind of something that you deal with on a daily basis, this is also such a great option. So if you're looking for something like this, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.